When solving an expression like this, it's very easy to make a mistake if you don't carefully follow the correct order of operations. A lot of people look at the numbers and immediately start calculating from left to right without thinking about the rules, which leads to the wrong answer. For example, you might first subtract 8 from 2 and get -6, then subtract 6 from 2 and get -4, and finally multiply -4 by -6 to get +24. That might seem logical at first, but it's actually incorrect. The reason this happens is because math is not just about doing operations randomly. It follows a very specific set of rules called PEMDAS. PEMDAS stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, and division, and addition and subtraction. This acronym helps us remember the correct order in which to solve any mathematical expression. First, you always handle anything inside parentheses. After that, you solve exponents if there are any. Then you move on to multiplication and division, working from left to right. Finally, you finish with addition and subtraction, also from left to right. One important thing to remember is that multiplication and division have equal priority, and so do addition and subtraction, which means you don't just pick one. You go step by step from left to right. Now let's apply this step by step to the problem. The first thing we notice is that there are parentheses, so we must start there. Inside the parentheses, we have 2 minus 8. When you subtract 8 from 2, you get -6. So now we rewrite the expression using that result. The expression becomes 2 minus 6 times -6. At this point, some people might feel tempted to subtract 2 minus 6 next, but that would be a mistake because multiplication comes before subtraction in the order of operations. So instead, we move to the multiplication step. We take 6 and multiply it by -6. A positive number times a negative number gives us a negative result. So 6 times -6 equals -36. Now we update the expression again. It becomes 2 minus -36. This part can look confusing, but it's actually simple once you understand the rule. Subtracting a negative number is the same as adding a positive number. So instead of thinking of it as 2 minus -36, you can rewrite it as 2 plus 36. Now the math becomes much easier. When you add 2 and 36 together, you get 38. That is the correct final answer. This example shows how important it is to slow down and follow the correct steps instead of rushing. If you found this explanation helpful and easy to understand, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and clear math tips that will help you improve step by step.